Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican king prawn and ackee. You all hear about ackee and saltfish. This one is king prawn and ackee. If you are new here, just to let you know you're welcome. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to split the back of this like so. That when you start cooking them, it's open up. And this is personal preference. You can do it however you want to. So just go ahead, take a knife, cut it down. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to blend up some seasoning here. I have some pimento berries. So I'm just going to put it in this. And a bit of Himalaya salt in this. We're going to get in some all-purpose. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grind them together. So now you can go ahead and season prawns. And the next step now, we're going to cut some fresh seasoning. So here I have some spring onion. I'll be using some onion, small size. I'll be using probably about half of this chili. I'll be using about half of red bell pepper. Next, I'll be using half green. And I have some garlic. I'm going to use some fresh garlic. So with this now, I'm going to put some like half and half in this, just to marinate it, and then the rest after. So there you go. We'll try to combine all of this together now. So now we'll be starting our cooking process. So now we have our pan on. I'm gonna put some olive oil in it. Make sure it covers the bottom. Just use some good, healthy olive oil in it. So now this is hot enough. So we're just gonna put our prawns in. So now to give it that extra flavor, I'm gonna go in with some butter. Rest of the garnish, look at that. Just go ahead and add it in. Just gonna add a sprinkling of black pepper over it. So this is ready now. So what I'm gonna do, you don't wanna overcook them. I'm gonna take some out because not everyone in the household eat ackee. So I'm just gonna put some aside in this. So now I'm gonna add my ackee in. So I'm just gonna let the heat pass through it. Now I like a little bit more extra black pepper on mine, but this is what I'm gonna have. So just gently turn it. And look at that.